If you'd like to see how you might be able to win this pack of Rae Dunn items, then stay tuned. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. And in today's video, I want to extend a big thank you to all of my subscribers. I recently passed the 1,000 subscriber mark, and I'm just so excited. That's a big milestone here on YouTube for those of you who may not know. And as a thank you to my subscribers, I'm going to be giving away some Rae Dunn items. And all you have to do to be entered to win these is to, number one, be a subscriber. Number two, leave me a comment down below what your favorite type of video is to watch. And number three, leave me a question about something you might want to know about me or things that I do, because I'm thinking of doing a Q&A type video when I announce the winner of the giveaway. So that's it, just those three things. And now I'm going to show you what you can win. So the first thing you can win are these little hand towels. There are 32 of them, and they say grateful. And I thought they were really appropriate since I am so grateful to all of you for joining in my community here and subscribing and continuing to support me. Really appreciate it. And then I haven't seen a lot of people with these items, and I happened to notice them when I went to a local Marshall's. And I'm not really into Rae Dunn, but I know a lot of you are. So I thought I would pick up all of them that I saw, and they are list pads. They have 70 sheets a piece. They're a little hard to see because they have plastic over them. This one says stuff to do. And then the next one says groceries. And then the next one just says list. And then the last one says shop. Now these do not have magnets on the back of them, but you could get that self-adhesive magnet tape and put it on there if you wanted to stick this on your refrigerator or a file cabinet or something. So just a little thank you. I don't want to go overboard because I actually like people to use things that they have. But I know those of you who collect Rae Dunn might not be able to get these items where you live, so I thought I would include them in my little giveaway. So that's it for now. I'll be back again with more decorating and shopping haul type videos soon, but I want to again just thank all of you so much for your support. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that icon in the corner of this video. That way you'll be subscribed to my channel, or you can hit the subscribe button in the description box down below. Thank you again, all of you, and I really truly appreciate it. You don't know how much your support means to me. Take care, everyone, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Bye-bye.